Hi. I really enjoyed reading your essay over um, the Pikes Place market. One thing that I noticed right away was about halfway through, it seems like you transition over to from Starbucks to the history of the market itself, and I just got a little lost in that. Um, so I don't know if you can maybe try to make that flow together a little bit better. Um, Trying to figure out where. I think it's here where you say, in fact, not only the Starbucks, but every store at Pike Place Market has its own history. It's a good transition line, but I don't know why. I just had a hard time following it in going into that. Um, Other than that, you do a really good job of talking about how excited you were to visit the first Starbucks. I like Starbucks, but I don't know if I would wait in line hours to get a cup of coffee for the original Starbucks. I like how you said heading to my coffee holy land. That's pretty good. So you did a good job with descriptive language and talking about how the logo was drawn, and just how the inside of the store looked. And I guess maybe that's where I got a little lost, is it seemed like you were going to focus on just the Starbucks, but then you went in to talk about all of the Pike's Place Market. So I think maybe that's where I got a little lost. And your title is the original Starbucks at Pike Place Market, so I wasn't expecting to have a lot more history on the rest of the market itself. You did a really good job of putting in text citations. Um, I did notice you only had one works cited, so maybe trying to incorporate in a couple more works cited. One thing I might try to do with my paper is add a couple pictures, so maybe you could try to do that with yours as well. Other than that, I think it looks really good. Your conclusion is really good, and your structure is really good. Uh, like always, just working on sentence structure and grammar for your first draft is always a big thing. And yeah, thanks for letting me read it. I enjoyed it.